Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Power on the printer and confirm it shows ready. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, determine whether you'll use USB, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or Bluetooth because the setup path changes. Make sure you have the printer model and any network password handy since you will enter them soon. If the printer has a display, navigate to Network or Wireless Setup now. This initiates discovery and exposes SSID or Bluetooth pairing codes you'll need next. Now connect using the method you identified. For USB, plug into the computer and allow driver installation. The OS often finds drivers automatically, but use manufacturer files if prompted. For Wi-Fi, either enter SSID and password on the printer panel or press WPS on both router and printer to pair, then note the assigned IP. For Ethernet, plug in the cable and verify link lights. Once connected, install or update the printer driver and add the printer from your device's printer settings. Finish by printing a test page to verify connectivity and quality. This confirms the correct driver and paper settings. Once the test is good, set the device as your default printer if you print often and adjust duplex or color settings in preferences. If printing fails, restart the printer and host device, confirm IP address has no conflicts, and reinstall drivers if necessary. A single troubleshooting tip. If wireless discovery fails, temporarily connect by USB to install drivers and then switch to network mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.